Hello, my name is Steven, and today I'll be showing you how to make a sign/billboard in Roblox Studio. So, I've already made my part right here. I'm going to click on it and then go over to the Explorer and click this little plus sign next to it. Then, once I do that, I'm going to go and find Surface GUI and click on it. You should see the Surface GUI go below our part as a child. Then, I'm going to go to Surface GUI and hit the plus sign again. And I'm going to find a text label. So now that I have this text label, I'm going to look. And there it is. So you can see it's not quite on the side I want it to be. We can change that by going to Surface GUI and changing the face in the Properties menu. We're going to change it to right. Oh, hold on, excuse me, left. That way, it's on our front. Next, we're going to go into our text label, and we have to resize this so that it's the entirety of our one side. So I'm going to go and change that the X to 1 and the Y to 1. Now that's going to be a little too big. So we're going to change both offsets to 0. And now it is the perfect size I want it to be for our billboard. So, staying in the properties of the text label, we're going to scroll down to our text until we find text. We're going to change our text to say, hello. Now that's very small, but that can be easily changed by going and finding the text scaled property. That's much better. Finally, if you want to get rid of this white background, then you can still go into your text label properties, find the background transparency property, and change it to 1. That is how you make a sign/billboard in Roblox Studio.